Hello my friends, the FX Hunter with the Forex market preview for the cross pairs now. So let's start the Aussie CAD. So what do we see here on this Aussie CAD? We can see this overextended trend which is not giving the chance for the pairs, which I definitely was entering, some of them probably here because they see the support, and some of them entered here later, which was me, and I received a stop loss here as well. So for this moment I will definitely be looking for the shorts, but not yet. I think we still can see kind of reaching these levels here with these POC levels. So might to start to build slowly the short position for some correction would be good, but however I will not do that. I will not get into trade right now because it's overextended for me now, and I still don't see the signs of the bearishness, and the bullishness is late to enter. So the next one is Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen is a pretty nice chart now, because we can see that we have broken through this channel, we have this retest, and now we have this nice volume here in this consolidation market is moving higher, and then the next strong level is here. So we could be driving this as well. If you look the other video, you can see that we have a strong COT data coming from the Aussie, and the Yen will be probably the weaker. So it gives me the clue that this one will go higher, and we have the positive swaps on the long. So for the long-term hold, this will be perfect trade, and I will be definitely looking to trade it. Next one is Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, and this is nothing interesting here, but only we have this this extended downtrend, and we are coming into this level. So I will be looking what's gonna happen here, if we gonna get rebound, or if we break lower and go lower, because it's pretty nice distances. So it's like 150 pips down, and we can get 200 pips up, but it will all definitely depend what's gonna happen here on this level. Next one is Euro Aussie. It's very similar. This one is I think this will definitely come down here, because it's just like 150 pips. So it could be good trade. However, I don't like to enter after this, because then whenever can happen that the market take us higher. So what I will be looking, if the market start to make the correction first before it reach this level, I will start to look for the shorts, but I will want to see first some consolidation, and then for the shorts. If the market comes first down here, then we have this nice level, which I will be looking to take a long. If it breaks, maybe we can see the lower levels. The next one is Euro Franc. Euro Franc, I'm in my plan, and it's still in my plan, because I saw this trend line on the weekly, which was broken, retested, then we have this move down, and the market then moved back into the supply zone, and I entered here. It moved down 70 pips. I moved to the stop loss to the break even, and the market takes me out, which is normal. It sometimes happens. It's better than we get the loss. So right now I will still be looking for the price to drop lower. However, it might come a bit higher, maybe into the supply zone. So let's see. I might open to like small position, and I'll start to up. With of course, we must have stop loss. I cannot be adding the positions like some crazy market guy. So I will add the stop loss like somewhere here above this market structure and this moving average 200. So Euro Franc, I'm looking for the shorts. This is the Euro Yen. Euro Yen, we had this downtrend, which was then broken, retested, and we having this nice consolidation. while the volume is moving up here on the bottom. So thus we could be the bullish volume, and I will be looking for the long trade here, which makes in this channel would be a nice trade. This is the Eurocat. I'm trapped in this short trade where I was expecting the market to drop lower. However, the euro surprised me now, so I will see what's gonna be happening now in these levels, because I still expect it to drop down in this bigger channel which we have on the daily time frame. So, but I made the mistake, of course, and what is the mistake is that we have a channel like this, and I simply entered in the middle. What can happen in the middle? It can go up or even down. So I don't know what I was thinking, so I lost my advantage, and it happened. So what I'm gonna do, my plan is that I think the market might is trying to, to take out the stop losses from these people. So what I will do, I will basically leave the market, leave the trade as it is. I'm now losing like a 33 euros, which is nothing big from my account. So if I get the stop loss, I get the stop loss, and I will be looking for the re-entry for the shorts here. If it drops, then it's good. I don't know in this one, but I will leave it because you never know. This is the Euro Kiwi. This is the another trade I'm trapped in, but as well with a small position because the Kiwi, because the pound is now due to the Brexit very volatile. So we have this channel, and we have a third retest, but this is very bullish. This is very bullish. So I think this could like break higher, and we could see these highs. If this not happen, we will potentially see the move down. So I'm waiting with this one as well. This is the pound, and as well I have a small position here, and what I'm expecting that the market will rebound from this level, and we will see something higher. Overall, my own personal view about the pound is that we're gonna see the strong pound soon, and it's why I think this is because as well because the COT data and like all these news, only the Brexit negotiations are dropping it lower, but I don't think it's not gonna take like a long time. So what is here is this level where are the stop losses. Definitely there's gonna be like some stop counts and people will be entering. So let's see how it will behave here, and I expect this. For now, let's see. GBP CAT as well. I think we can still see the drop down here, because this is gonna be very interesting level. When they starting to do, when the market starting to rebound, these people see this trend line, so they starting to entering longs, and most of them they put stop losses just below the low, below this one. But if you see something like this, there will be a lot of stop losses here. Here is the money. Here is the money, and I think it will drop here. Let's see. Pound Kiwi is now in the interesting level as well. We're moving in this channel, and we are here now. So the question is, if this happened or if it went up. That's the question. So I will be watching this level closely, and I will definitely trade this level. This is the Pound Kiwi. I expect it to drop down because we had this retest, this one. But another thing is that what could as well happen, I will be looking to enter if I will see first the break of this low, and I will take just this distance, because what could still happen is that you know, a lot of people see this break or this trend line retest, you know, and downtrend. But look, this is how the market makers set the trap. So here is going to be a lot of stop losses, a lot of money. So what I think that might is happening, that the market makers just, you know, they're just fishing the people, and then they just quickly take the stop losses out, because they didn't make it here and here as I was expecting it to happen here. It didn't happen. So I think this could happen quickly, and it could surprise a lot of people. So if you don't have to trade a pound, I would suggest to stay off right now. This is the Kiwi Cat. Kiwi Cat, I expect move it in here in this channel. This is the Kiwi Yen. Kiwi Yen, we could see the break, or we could see the drop. Depends on the price action. This is the USD SGD. Similar situation. Move higher if the dollar is strong, move lower if the dollar is weak. This is the Aussie franc, so it's overextended trend, and I will be looking to short it somewhere here if this trend line will drop, because it's in confluence with this channel. We have this POC, we have this supply zone here, so I think this zone will be very nice for the short, or maybe even short lower. So this one I still wait, but I will be watching this level, because we have many confluences here. This is the pound franc. Pound franc I expect to drop lower, because I expect the franc to come strong later. This is the cat franc. Here is a situation. So we can see this consolidation now. I think it's a bearish consolidation. However, we can see this is not so clear, but we have a volume on the bottoms, and it's moving like this. And if we let's look to the daily, because there it's more clear. So we having like something like this wedge, yes, and now we getting this like you know, so call it like a flag or something like that. So I still see this drop of this, and I think we have, you know, like a lower low, but we getting break of the structure. And what I think is gonna happen is this, and here that it's gonna break a higher, or maybe, you know, like, you know, to fake either people. And here I will be looking for the short. So like this and down for the long term. Euro Kiwi, we are now in very interesting level. This is gonna be big manipulations here, and it's gonna be crazy, because we have this level which was supported once, and right now a lot of people are definitely entering the longs, because they think as much many times the level bounce that it's getting the stronger. But what's probably gonna happen is that market makers gonna make something like, you know, to something like this, you know, so the traders enter, then the retracement traders will enter, then the breakout traders will enter, then when they are everybody in the longs, ready to stop loss here just below it, and then what's good happen? Bam, then they will definitely manipulate it down. Before, if they go higher or if they will just dropping low, you know, I don't know, but I think that this is something like we're gonna well see. So I still wait for the moment, or maybe if I will be taking some longs, just, you know, the small ones. Definitely I will not be getting some quick target, because it's actually happened something here. You can see that you have this, you know, something like a demand zone, and then you have the bounce, you know, and then look, you know, they just tick down there below these stop losses, and then they have a power to go up. So this is probably what will happen here. Next one is a franc yen. Franc is in this supported by this nice trend line, and we can see the break of this trend line, and then we can see it move higher and the retest of this trend line again, and the volume here, and then we just need to break through this and then move up. This is what is my setup. If it's happened, I will be entering them. This is the Canadian. We have as well these trend line. We have 1, 2, 3 touches. And now what do we have here is this consolidation, where we can see, you know, this spike up, spike down. So they basically, you know, taking out the traders. And I like this pin bar. I like this pin bar with this volume. And then when the market was moving higher, there was not volume. Then it's moving lower around this 200 EMA, and then it's volume again. So I will be watching it here. If we go lower or if we go up, because below here will be stop losses, and below here will be even more stop losses. And what I want to do, I don't want to enter here like everyone. I want to enter when the pain is created, when the traders are leaving the position, when they selling them to the banks. I want to enter with the big bots. So I will wait until something unordinary will happen, and then I will enter the trade. So this was this week I presented more than like the intraday trades. I presented more like the swing trades, which I will be looking for in the previous following weeks. And some of them will definitely happen, some of them will not, some of them might not work, and I will get the stop loss. This is the normal, this is part of the game, and this is why I risk never more than 1% till every trade. So this is it. I hope that it might help you with to be inspired in your trading, and I will be happy if you join to my Telegram channel and follow my setups. And this is it for this week, and I wish you a great weekend. Bye bye.